everybody out there in keyboard land. Bad Mark here with MacTech again. I just wanted to do a quick video. I've been diving deep into this rabbit hole that is mechanical keyboards and switches. The other day I received an order of Purple Pandas, which I'm sure a lot of you guys will be familiar with. They're very popular. But it was by a mistake. I was actually supposed to receive some tangerines. The vendor said, go ahead and keep them. I'm like, all right, or tactile switch, whatever. But I decided to mess around. I have a bunch of Gazoos, silent boba stems. So I decided to take the stem out of this tactile switch and see how the Gazoo stem would work in this housing. And it sounds nice. It's very similar to the effect that I've gotten with other ones, because I have tried this stem in a lot of different housings. But then I thought to myself, what am I going to do with the leftover stem that I have from the Purple Panda? I used to be tactile, gang, but primarily been team linear for the past year or so. But I decided to try in a couple different housings. I tried it in a Milky, but I found that in a Gateron Brown housing, this gave me the perfect tactility. Yes, there was a little bit of click to it, but it just feels different. It feels like a different type of tactile. So I went ahead and lubed them up and replaced a whole bunch of stems and created a new switch. I don't know what you would call it, because I mean, it's got a Panda stem and a Gateron body. Gateron Panda? I don't know. So I put these switches into this. This is a TES68 from Newfie Studios. These are the switch testers that are going around. You should be able to buy them for $20, but I've seen some vendors selling them for as high as $50. For $20, this is a damn good board for testing switches, and I mean, it's just a great board in general. It is built well. I'll do another video and do a breakdown of this board. I have several of them, but they come in several different variants, including the oh, I don't have it in here. I thought, oh no, here it is, right here. This is Keyboard Monkey's version of it. Theirs is called the KBD68, but it's basically the same thing, and it delivers a really nice experience. It's a well-built keyboard. This is what it looks like in the translucent version. This is the Newfie. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. But, so I just wanted to do a quick sound test of my new Franken switches, and I don't know, get some comments, feedback, see you guys like it, hate them, what do you think? I think I'm actually going to try them out for a little while, even though I haven't used a tactile switch in a while. I want to give these a shot at my daily driver and see what I think. But let's go ahead and do a test. And that's it. Just a quick sound test. Hope you guys have a wonderful week.